This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Scarnecchia. Beautiful setting on Lake of Century Village in a 55 community. There is many upgrades, glass enclosed patio overlooking lake in a first floor unit with access to laundry and pool area. This in a 4-story building, making it very desirable. Walk-in shower and master and updated VANITYS.MANY amenities as active clubhouse with theater, pool, workout room, and bus service in COMMUNITY.CLOSE to all shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.